Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 28 of building the Batmobile from the classic 1966 Batman TV series. Yes, in this issue, we're continuing the lower chassis after looking through the magazine. And we've got the Pharaohs in a hut. That's Tut again. See a couple of episodes of him. The magazine, we look at the great Batman comics, Gotham by Gaslight. Don't remember that one. Batman as the Ripper. That's quite interesting. Using different things. We've got the original Batman Year by Year, the Batman comic. Stuff there with the Joker. Obviously, I recognise him. And that's that. There we go. So yes, this is what's it just going to be. Chassis parts, really. Central cross members and things like that. Two bars that go across to reinforce and hold that together and make it look like that. It won't take very long to do that at all. We've got 3 and 2 screws to put in there, and then that makes that a little bit more rigid, a little bit more fancy. I'm not sure if the other set of wheels go the other side of this or in there, so it might be in this bit somewhere. I know it's a very long car, but I don't know quite how long it is or how it compares to things like the X01, which is a very long car. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's have a look. So, of course, today's parts, we've got our 2 crossbars, one semicircular, semi-rounded, and one that's sort of mostly rounded with a couple of other pieces. 1 bag of screws, which we're obviously going to be using 5 of. Let's see if I can get those out immediately. 3 there. And 2 more there. 1 to be kept spare for later. So yes, these are fitting onto our main assembly that we've been doing. Basically, we've got this one has to go about there. It's got to go underneath that bit and on top of those bits. So it's a case of wiggling it into place and then rotating. Yeah, there we go. That does that. So we've got 3 screws to hold that in place. Let's get those done. I'll get the middle one in first to make sure it can't escape. I think that's actually going in there though. Oh, that might be, yep, there you go. Is that in there? And obviously one of them either side of that. So this is obviously looking a bit rough on the top side, but the underside is the bit that looks nicer. Got an extra screw there. Not sure if that's one I needed from this or another bit. One out there. It didn't actually go in there at all. It came loose. I'll go back and get that back in place again. Put those 2 in place. That might line up nicer on there. Or if that's in there again. Let's try tightening it up and see what happens. Yeah, that's tightened up, so I'm happy with that. Good. 2 more screws to put in, which is this other piece. It doesn't matter which way round it goes. It's going up there. And down there with the nice side on the underside. That one there. That side on there. So a little bit of tightening required off camera, but that's not a problem. And there we have that, and that is now much more rigid and ready. It tapers down a lot more than I thought it would, but there we go. So we've got the engine all complete, tires on the back, and that shaping up to look quite good. I'm liking it a lot. So that's that, another issue done. I shall see you for more very soon when we're going to be adding more bits to this. I think we've got the other axle and things to fit. That's probably going to be about here, I should think. I don't know. Doesn't feel like that's long enough between the wheels. No point in speculating. We'll get to it soon enough. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.